Buongiorno from Monterosso Al Mare, Italy. Join with me for this walking tour of Monterosso. So walk with me as I'm showing you guys the town of Monterosso Al Mare. Right now we are in the new town of Monterosso. Here you will find hotels, sandy beaches, and restaurants. This is the Monterosso train station. Stair number 1 is where you can buy your train tickets. Number 3 is the platform to go to Manarola, Rio Maggiore, Bernazza, and Cornelia. Monterosso is divided into two parts, the new and the old town. The Monterosso train station is located in the new town of Monterosso. This Del Frido street food should not be missed. It is very delicious at a reasonable price. It is kind of deep fried seafood. So this is the pathway to go to the old town Monterosso. It's very flat, it's walkable. In that area is the new town, which are the big hotels are located. Now we are about to cross the underground tunnel to get to the old town. The old town is more charming and colorful houses, more shops and restaurants, and very narrow alleys. And guys, this video was recorded in the middle of September, and the temperature during the daytime is below 70. And the temperature at nighttime is below 60 Fahrenheit. Not too crowded, but still a lot of tourists. finish our day at the beautiful restaurant with seafood pasta and a stunning view of the harbor. I hope this walking tour video inspire you and have you a better understanding of the town of Monterosso Al Mare, especially if you're planning to visit Cinque Terre and the 5 villages. And guys, check out my other videos of Manarola, Bernazza, Rio Maggiore, and Cornelia. Ciao everybody!